how to change the military time or use the 24-hour format or not use the 24-hour format on your Samsung Galaxy A55 smartphone. So you just got your phone and you don't want this here. You want that when it reaches to 1 o'clock, you're seeing 1 o'clock, not 13 o'clock, okay? So in order to do this here, to get into these settings and to change this option, you'll simply do this right here. Go into the main settings by using the quick panel access, tap here on the settings. Then from here now, go down until you see the general section. This one right here, general management, right? As you tap on that here, you're gonna see date and time, this one right there. Tap on that one time, and of course, you'll wanna go down to where it says use 24-hour format, okay? So if this is turned on, that means after 12, it's gonna switch to 13 o'clock, not 1 o'clock. So you'll see now when I turn this off here, you'll see that it's gonna give you a different time here. So I'll turn that off, and you can see it's actually 2:55 now for the usual time. Okay, so if you've been looking for that, that's where you would go to do that. And of course, if this guide helped you, like and sub.